queen.
You look so beautiful, just like a real princess.
Mommy, I don't want to be pink.
Where's my daughter?
Oh, thank you so much.
I wish Mommy was here with me.
Now what do I do with her?
Who are you? I don't remember anything.
I'm your mother. Everything will be okay, trust me.
Where are we going? Mommy!
We live here now. Promise me you won't go outside.
Yes.
Soft wings above, they soar so high. Around where whispers
Remember, only by staying here will you be safe.
Bye-bye!
Please, I need this job. With this job, I can finally stay close to my daughter.
I'm so happy to be here with you, Mommy.
Me too, sweetheart.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
This is my chance to talk to my daughter. I've missed you so much, my little one. You're my whole world.
Don't touch me. I don't need you. My life is better without you. Stay away. Mommy, I made this for you.
I hope someday I'll get to see what's out there.
Hello, Mother, Father.
I'm glad to see you. I have something important to tell you. A prince will come to the palace to meet you. You must consider marrying him for the good of the kingdom.
I don't want you to feel pressured, my dear. Do what feels right.
But keep in mind, he's a prince from a powerful kingdom far away.
Don't worry, I will fulfill my duty and do my best to live up to it. A handsome prince and a fortune at my feet. This is perfect.
I wish I could leave this tower and see the world beyond. Mother, I wish I could go outside.
No, you're never leaving this tower.
I'm sorry. I just thought I could help you with the work. I didn't mean to upset you.
It's for your own good. You don't understand the dangers outside. I only keep you here to protect you.
It's so boring doing nothing. Oh no, my comb fell. I have to go get it. Wow, it's so beautiful out here. Hello, little one.
Wow, she's beautiful.